Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Surface laptop step by step clearly. Start by unboxing your Surface laptop carefully. Remove any packaging materials and accessories from the box. Place the laptop on a flat, stable surface. Plug the power adapter into a wall outlet. Connect the other end of the power adapter to your Surface laptop. Press the power button located on the keyboard. Wait for the welcome screen to appear. Select your preferred language, region, and keyboard layout. Click on the next button to proceed. Connect to your Wi-Fi network by selecting it from the list. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted and click Connect. Once connected, click Next to move forward. Sign in with your Microsoft account or create a new one if necessary. Follow the prompts to complete the sign-in process. Set up your device's privacy settings according to your preferences. You may choose to configure Windows Hello for added security. Select whether to enable Cortana, Microsoft's digital assistant. Read and accept the Microsoft software license terms. Your Surface laptop will now complete the setup process. This may take a few moments, so be patient as it finalizes your settings. Once setup is complete, you'll reach the desktop. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with your new device. Now, you can start customizing your Surface laptop to your liking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.